My name is Courtney Schulz, and I'm the Senior Sales Operations Analyst for JOA, and I've been with the company 7 years. In an ongoing effort to support our customers, we developed the JOA Portal. The portal provides our customers access to over 25,000 parts that we have in our inventory, and they can use this information to identify, source, add items to their cart, and also submit orders. We know that time is of the essence for our customers to keep their machines up and running in the field. So one of the benefits of the parts portal to our customers is being able to access our inventory 24/7. One of the most exciting features of the mobile application is providing our customers the ability to scan barcodes on all of our JOA parts. When a customer scans a barcode on a JOA part, the mobile application allows the customer to immediately look up that part number in the mobile application. The portal allows for team collaboration, so you can collaborate with other members within your organization on active quotes or orders. There's no charge for our customers to utilize the JOA Parts Portal. It's just another way that we're able to add value to our customer relationships. We'd be happy to discuss the JOA Parts Portal in more detail. For more information, please contact your JOA sales representative.